Hi, I'm planting some lettuce in our garden. Will you help me? Fuzztastic! Dig, dig, diggy! There, now we have somewhere to plant our seeds. Thanks, Zoomie. We plant the seeds and fill the hole back up with dirt, just like this. With enough sunshine and water, my seeds will grow into big lettuce. Although Nana grows the biggest lettuce, just like... Oh no! Something's been eating Nana's vegetables. Was it you, Zoomie? No, of course not. But who would eat right out of the garden? Ah, I know. I bet it was Bunny. Where were you on the night Nana's lettuces got nibbled? What's that? You don't eat lettuce? Oh yeah, right. Roger, did you eat Nana's lettuce? I think that's a no. But if it wasn't Roger, and it wasn't Bunny, and it wasn't me, who could it be? We have a mystery on our hands. Will you help me solve it? You will? Fuzztastic!
Garden Mystery!
Aha! Was it you, Birdie? Did you eat the lettuce? Oh, wait. Birds eat birdseed, not lettuce. Don't worry, we'll solve this case.
Dig, dig, dig in the ground. Pat the little seeds all around. Sunshine bright and rain so light. Grow little veggies, big and bright. But wait, oh my, what do I see? Someone's been nibbling lettuce for tea. Crunch, crunch, munch, who could it be? Let's solve this garden mystery. Who could it be? Who's in Nana's garden? Who could it be? Let's find every clue. Tiny footprints on the ground, little clues are all around. Bunny says it wasn't me, so who could the nibbler be? Shh, let's sneak, don't make a peep. Tiptoe, tiptoe, take a peek. Maybe hiding near a tree. Who could our mystery muncher be? Grow little lettuces happy and green, the biggest veggies you've ever seen. Dig, 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 plant, 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 water every day. Fuzztastic! Hip hooray!
Look, some kind of animal left its footprints in the dirt. I wonder, could this be the same creature who's eating Nana's lettuce? I bet that muncher is still around here somewhere.
Shh! We'll keep our eyes open and catch them in the act.
It was a bunny who ate Nana's lettuce. A very cute rabbit. I have an idea. Now Nana's lettuce will be safe, and the bunny will have her own lettuce to eat. And everybody's happy. Zella, time to come in now. Coming, Nana. See you next time, and happy munching.